How to post a video onto Steam. So in this video, I'll show you how you can post videos to your Steam profile. Now all you need to do is go and load up the Steam app like this, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, and select View My Profile. Now if you haven't already set up a profile, you'll need to first click on Set Up Steam Profile. You can then fill out your information and just press Save. Now once you've created a profile, click on your profile icon once again and select View My Profile. You can also just click on your profile name here. Now from the right hand side, scroll down and select Videos. And in order to post videos onto Steam, you first need to link your YouTube account. So you can't upload videos to Steam directly, but what you can do is upload videos to your YouTube account, and you can go and link your YouTube account by clicking this button here. You can then scroll down and select Access Your Videos, and then simply sign in to your YouTube account. Now once you're signed in, make sure to click on Continue. And from the left hand side, you'll see all of your YouTube videos. Now to add these to your Steam profile, select the videos you want to add. You can then click on the drop down arrow and you need to select the video game that you want to associate the video with. Once you've done this, you can go and press Add Video, and that's how to post videos onto your Steam profile.